In this video we will show you how to use music to visualize your goals. This technique is similar to watching a movie where a song is playing in the background as the characters live their lives. It is extremely simple to implement and will help you tremendously through your creative visualization journey. The first thing that you need to do for this technique is write down all of your goals and desires. Next, you'll need to find songs that resonate closely to your vision. For example, if you are looking to bring love into your life, then you'll want to find a romantic song, or if you are trying to manifest success in your career, then you will want to find songs that are powerful. After you found your songs, listen to them and then imagine that they are playing in the background as you live your dream life. This will bring your energy levels up and help you with the visualization process. Using music in your visualization rituals is a powerful tool you can use to achieve your dreams. Learn more ways to reach your goals by visiting our channel and make sure to subscribe for more quick tips to improve your life and achieve your dreams.